New phone setup, Gmail account creation, 2025. Let's get started. Open the Play Store on your new phone. You'll see the option to sign in. Tap on that. Now tap on Create Account to make a new Gmail ID. You'll be asked who the account is for. Choose either for myself or for my child, depending on your situation. Next, enter your first name and last name in the fields. Then tap on Next to continue. Now enter your birthday. And select your gender from the list. Once you've filled that out, tap Next. On the next screen, Google will suggest a few usernames. You can pick one from the list, or if you want something custom, you can create your own unique username. After that, tap Next. Now it's time to set a strong password. Make sure it's something secure but easy to remember. Then tap Next again. Google may show you a few prompts to confirm your info. Keep tapping Next until you reach the terms and conditions. Now tap on Agree to accept Google's terms. Then tap Confirm. And again, tap Agree if asked. That's it. You've successfully created a new Gmail account on your phone. You're now ready to use Gmail and other Google services. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.